What's up, buds? It is Fly High FPV, and it's giveaway time. That's right, Castle Crash 2.0 giveaway. We are going to give away some tickets right about now. Let's see, let's find the Castle Crash post. This shit right here, Castle Crash, September 1st through 4th at Eastwind Village in South Carolina. This is a drone meetup for FPV pilots in a freaking medieval village. Ridiculous amounts of fun out in the woods. We're going to be camping and chilling for 4 days. It's only $50 for a pass. That includes your camping and flying. We want all pilots out here. You can bring your spectators too, but man, we just want more and more and more pilots. It's going to be lots and lots of fun. Tons and tons of prizes. We're giving away all kinds of awesome stuff. We've got really kick-ass sponsors. Sponsors from down inside the community like Brandon FPV, myself, WOM FPV. There's all these amazing people who have stepped up to help us with this event. Let me see, I'll pull up my web page here, and if you scroll all the way to the bottom, all the way to the very bottom, there is events listed right there. Click on events. This is my events page. I got all the latest events and stuff listed, and there's Castle Crash right there. If you click on the link, you can go to the Castle Crash tickets, and let's take a look and see who all is sponsoring this thing, because it's ridiculous how many people are sponsoring. Rican Dragon, Fly High FPV, Woodchuck FPV. He's donating frames. I'm donating LEDs and motors and all sorts of goodies. Woodchuck, WOM FPV, Brandon FPV donating Worry Free. 12 pack a day Habit is donating a zombie frame. TT FPV donating some FPV goods. Team Abso, that's Daddy Loves Quads, and Mamba FPV are donating a frame. I think it's going to be an Abso X. Ground Control, Lady FPV, Petrol, and Shenji, thank you much. We appreciate you. You guys also are donating a frame, I believe. Uncle Curtis, which is donating a huge amount of Dad's Elixir. It's like 10 bottles at 500 milligrams a piece. It's gonna be fucking dope. 8-Bit is donating a Screech frame. I really appreciate you, bud. FPV Lux is gonna be doing the t-shirts for Castle Crash this year. If you're signed up for FPV Lux in advance, then we're gonna be dropping them a month or two before the actual event, so you can have your shirt and bring it with you. Shutter Bombs, thank you so much. They're donating a shit ton of smoke bombs for the event. It's going to be LEDs and smoked out. Going to be some ridiculous footage this year. And then we get up to the big brands. True RC out of Canada, my favorite antenna company, has offered to hook us up and donate some goodies. Fox Ear, really appreciate you guys. Thank you. Beta FPV, man, they coming back for more. These guys donated a ton of gear last year. They donated 3 controllers. They donated Light Radio 3s. They donated ELRS receivers, a whole bunch of whoop frames, whoop motors. I think there was even an entire whoop. Huge shout out to these guys for coming back at it and doing it again. Really appreciate you. T-Motor, same thing. These guys are awesome. Last year I think they gave us like 4 sets of motors and props. Unbelievable. We'll be getting more good stuff from them. Have you seen T-Motor's got a new FETech Alpha flight controller out? Holy shit, I'm about to put mine in tonight. So fucking stoked. GemFan is the shit. Biggest representative from any of these companies. Dude, they sent GemFan Mike out. He came out and partied with us. He brought all the props. He did special contests. He even awarded a sponsorship to somebody out there just for being the fastest prop changer. Really cool. Thank you for always supporting our community, GemFan. We love you. Emax USA, the new sponsor this year. Really appreciate these guys too. They have already sent us out some motors. We've got a bunch more we need to add onto this list too. I know Camera Butter has donated a set of motors, a $100 gift card, a set of ND filters, and I just need to do some work and update this page. But without any further ado, let's stop the yapping and let's figure out who's going to win. I've got Looks like 31 people who entered the giveaway to win a ticket. All you had to do was go on my YouTube or my Instagram and tag 3 pilots, and boom, got you an entry. Thank you all for entering, and this is not the lucky winner yet. I gotta type in a new number here, and as soon as I hit enter, we're gonna see who it's gonna be. Drum roll, please. Did it go? Did it go? Number 27, Drone View. Here we go. Congratulations, Drone View. I'm going to reach out to you on Instagram, let you know you won, and we will see you at Castle Crash September 1st through 4th in South Carolina. It is going to be so much fun. Thank you to everybody who is helping out. Really appreciate you all. Everybody who is sponsoring, thank you, thank you, thank you. We are going to be putting more and more and more together. As the more sponsor prizes come in, we'll continue to drop videos and show you guys what kind of goodies and giveaways there are going to be this year. Please come out to my site and grab the tickets. We have set the event up as a non-profit, and so I'm having to jump through some hoops to make sure that you guys don't have to pay taxes or anything on the tickets. But yeah, we're fucking doing it, and we're doing it even bigger this year. Dude, check out this artwork from Reek and Dragon. This guy has been amazing, doing all kinds of graphic design for us and just making awesome logos and shirts and cool shit. Shout out to everybody who's involved. I know I haven't mentioned everybody, and there are a ton of you. It's a very community-driven event. And if you would like to volunteer to help out, please, please, please let me know. I'll get you in the group. We've got a bunch of people who are going up early to help set up. Gonna be just ridiculous fun. Thank you all, and I will see you there September 1st through 4th at Castle Crash. Peace.